Welcome to Girls World!
Hi everyone, I want to say thank you to my husband for giving me the new iPhone, which is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's unbox and let me show you what it looks like. I chose the color white titanium. They also have 4 colors. They have the natural titanium, the blue titanium, the white titanium which I have, and the black titanium. This iPhone has a A17 chip, which is the game-changing chip with a groundbreaking performance. It is built in titanium, which is so strong, so light, and so pro, as they say. It has a 6.7-inch display. This iPhone 15 Pro Max has the longest optical zoom in iPhone ever. It has a battery life that's positively pro, which is up to 29 hours video playback. On the left side, you can see the action button, which is a fast track to your favorite feature. So inside the box, you have the iPhone 15 Pro Max plus this USB-C charge cable. Plus, you also get the pin for the SIM card port to take it out, and included with this is the sticker, the Apple sticker, and its manual. Now it's time to get it working. Just press the on button and the Apple logo starts popping up. And you're ready to start up your new iPhone. So let me know in the comment if ever you enjoyed this video, as well as if ever you've tried or had this new iPhone. Let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!